Hello everyone. Welcome back to yet another vocabulary session. Let's begin. Apricity, the warmth of the sun in winter. Anchor, a person or thing that provides strength and stability. Galvanize, to shock or excite someone into taking sudden action. Efflorescent, blooming, bursting into flower or developing fully. Jubilant, feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. That's all for today. Let's grow our vocabulary together, 5 words and one day at a time. Like, share, subscribe to SukunZone.